Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. So we've got here the new Eachine E188S Airwolf helicopter. Not only does it look amazing with its scale detail, with its machine guns on either side and the rocket launchers underneath and the rocket system at the back and all the rivet detail and the classic and iconic black and white Airwolf scheme, but it is also GPS enabled, which means that if you're hovering, hands off the sticks, it will stay in the same location because it knows where it is. It will return to home if you command it to do that and land. And should the transmitter go low battery or the battery in the Airwolf go low battery, it will also return to home and land. Or if there's loss of signal between the radio transmitter and the Airwolf, it will return to home and land as well. A lot of other clever features on this as well. It will also do auto figure eights and auto circuits by itself and make you look like an expert pilot in front of your friends. Let's not hang around, let's get it in the air and let's see how it flies. So there you go, that's the new Eachine E188S GPS enabled helicopter, Airwolf in the iconic scheme, and with machine guns either side, rockets underneath, fixed landing gear, and the rocket system at the back that flashes away. Hope you saw that on the video. But the GPS features work really well, I have to say. The return to home works really nicely. You got 2 speed modes, played with that a little bit. Best to go to low speed mode when you're landing, but the move I do particularly like is when you take off low speed mode, go to high speed mode, and then backwards and turn on the move. Looks absolutely brilliant, I have to say. Really enjoy flying it. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Look it up for the price, but thanks for watching this one. We'll be back soon demonstrating this indoors, because it does have a mode where it turns off the GPS, which is also useful in locations where maybe you can't get GPS fix on the radio, and you want to fly indoors in a sports hall or somewhere like that, or in a large room. Then it's good for that. But obviously you won't get the benefit of return to home and all of those features. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.